She was not really a part of the India Against Corruption movement. Many of the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party even today have come in from that. She actually came in with the likes of Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan, the founding members of the Aam Aadmi Party. They had brought her in, but when they were expelled, Aatishi decided to stay and then was picked up as an advisor by Manish Sisodia when it came down to the education department. And since then, it's only been an upwards graph where Aatishi's career is concerned. Meanwhile, today, Arvind Kejriwal, along with Aatishi, met the Lieutenant Governor Vinay Saxena and resigned as the Chief Minister. He made a similar move in 2013 when he'd resigned in just about 49 days of coming to power. See the special report to know exactly what transpired back then. But many say now a lot of water has flown down the Ramana.
Days after walking out of jail, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal resigned today. The surprise move comes just a few months ahead of assembly elections in the national capital.
मैं तब तक सीएम की कुर्सी पे नहीं बैठूंगा जब तक जनता अपना फैसला ना सुना दे। अगर आप मेरे को वोट देके जिताओगे और अगर आप कहोगे कि केजरीवाल ईमानदार है तो चुनाव के बाद उसके बाद जाके मैं सीएम की कुर्सी पे बैठूंगा, तब तक मैं सीएम की कुर्सी पे नहीं बैठूंगा।
But this is not the first time that Kejriwal has played this ultimate gambit. After he shot into the limelight in 2011 during the Anna Hazare movement, he launched Aam Aadmi Party in 2012. In the 2013 Delhi Assembly polls, Kejriwal formed the government with outside support from the Congress as he fell short of the majority. On 28 December 2013, Kejriwal took oath as Chief Minister of Delhi for the first time.
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा।
However, on 14 February 2014, Kejriwal resigned as Chief Minister of Delhi just 49 days after assuming power. He cited the non-introduction of the Jan Lokpal bill in the Assembly, which was stonewalled by both the BJP and the Congress. Soon after this, precedence rule was imposed in the national capital. In the run-up to the 2015 Assembly polls, Kejriwal repeatedly apologized to the people for stepping down, terming his 49-day tie-up with the Congress as an honest mistake.
कांग्रेस को लोगों ने क्यों हराया था? क्योंकि कांग्रेस के अंदर अहंकार आ गया। वही भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिसको मई के महीने में लोगों ने इतना भारी बहुमत दिया, आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी को लोगों ने क्यों हराया? क्योंकि बीजेपी के अंदर अहंकार आ गया। पिछले साल हम लोगों को 28 सीटें मिली, लेकिन शायद कहीं ना कहीं हमारी पार्टी के अंदर भी अहंकार आ गया और भगवान ने हमें हमारे अहंकार की सजा दी और लोकसभा के अंदर जो हुआ हमें पता चल गया।
And few days later, Aam Aadmi Party stormed into power once again, winning 67 of the 70 seats, reducing the BJP to 3 seats. The Congress, which lost power at the centre months earlier in the general elections, failed to open its account.
मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल
ईश्वर की
शपथ लेता हूं।
But a lot has changed since then. The man who emerged as a crusader against corruption is himself in the dock. And Kejriwal has already had 3 stints in office. Can just a resignation be enough to exorcise the ghosts of corruption and anti-incumbency? Bureau Report, India Today.